Here we have a Commodore 64. This will show you when I turn it on. It's got Jiffy DOS on it. There's the first one. Just a basic. And it's got a little switch on the side, which I'm going to show you. It's a little shaky. Somebody kind of half done it, but it still works good. Let me turn it back off right quick. Flip the switch. Turn it back on. There it is, Jiffy DOS 5.0. There it is. I'm just going to put in a game Kickman, which is going to be included in the auction too. And it's going to have a little cassette right here. I was just making sure I loaded something. So let me turn it back off right quick. Stick this in here. Turn it back on. It's a loan game. You can see the music going on. Just want to show you that. And there you have it. Thank you for looking at my auction.